Hi, welcome back to Evolving Male. So I saw this thing online on a forum and I decided to try it. They got it on Wish, but I found something similar on Amazon. So got the Amazon bag. I haven't even looked at it yet. I've had it for a couple days, which is unlike me not to open it up. And it's even better than a bag. It's a bag in a bag, which is like 2 gifts. And then there's another bag. There's 3 bags. So it's like 3 gifts. So this might be dumb. This might be good. I don't know. But we'll have to check it out. So what this is, it's a little console cubby thing. So it's got some 3M tape here, and it goes over the center console. So we're gonna take this in here. So you see the center console right there, right? So center console's right there. Get this camera mount right here, and what this is going to do is we're going to take this, and it just hangs out right there in the front, and it's got some 3M tape right there. You pull the tape off, and you have a little bag. Has a little, get it back out. Has a little bag on each side, little cubby hole, and you can even has a magnetic closure. So you listen. Can you hear it? All right, or you can put this, just put it inside, and you got a little place to put. My thoughts were, put it in there, have a little place to stick your phone. My phone is currently not in the case, but it's there. But you can take the phone and a little place to stick it right there. So I don't know. I'm gonna try it out and see how I like it. I don't know if that 3M tape is, it's 3M with Velcro, so you can put it kind of how you want it, but gives you a little place to hide something. So I don't know. Let me get a little closer look. Let me pull you out of the camera here. So there it is. Gives you a little place, little cubby to put some stuff. I don't know. They have a hard version that's just like a hard version, and then there's this one. I don't know, it could be a good place to stick a gun or something. I could put my gun right there. I do have a magnetic mount for my gun. I just put my Glock right there, but I have a smaller 22, the Walther P22, that I could put right there, have it mounted. Or like I said, it's good for a phone, or if you're a smoker, I guess a pack of cigarettes, or a wipe, or a mask. I can take my mask, put my mask right there. All right. After I Velcro it in, might be a good little place. I don't know. I might try it out. I think I'll try it out for a while. See how I go. See how she goes. See how I like it. When I originally got it, I thought it was the hard version, the hard side version. Which maybe the hard side version will look better. I don't know. Anyway, we'll try it out. And thanks for always checking out this Evolving Male short take. Please hit like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for stopping by and check me out. And I'll put the link on the bottom so you can see if you want to get it too. Anyway, thanks guys. See you later. Bye bye.